This is the brand new Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This is the latest action camera from Insta360, and it brings some serious upgrades over its predecessor. So what's new? The Ace Pro 2 now features a next-generation AI-powered image processing system for even sharper footage, improved low-light performance, and better color accuracy. The camera now boasts a larger 1-inch sensor for capturing more detail, an upgraded HDR mode for better dynamic range, and an improved stabilization system to keep your shots buttery smooth. One of the biggest changes is the all-new directional microphone system, which promises clearer audio and better wind reduction. Plus, we now get a higher refresh rate for slow-motion shots, making action sequences look even more cinematic. Another key improvement is the redesigned battery life optimization. The Ace Pro 2 now supports longer recording times, allowing you to capture more footage without constantly swapping batteries. The new AI-powered editing tools also make post-production easier than ever, letting you quickly edit, enhance, and share your content directly from the Insta360 app. But enough talking, let's get this box open and see what's inside. First thing we see right on top is all the paperwork that Insta360 includes. We have the usual quick start guide, a safety and warranty booklet, and some Insta360 stickers, which is always a nice touch. If you're new to Insta360 cameras, I definitely recommend giving the quick start guide a quick read just to get familiar with all the features. There's also a small card with a QR code that takes you directly to the Insta360 app. This app is crucial for getting the most out of your camera. It allows you to wirelessly transfer footage, control settings remotely, and even apply AI-powered enhancements to your videos. Now, moving on to the accessories. Right underneath the paperwork, we have the standard USB-C charging cable, which is great because we don't have to worry about carrying a different type of cable around. Next, we have the mounting accessories. This includes the standard action mount adapter, which allows you to attach the Ace Pro 2 to a wide variety of mounts and tripods. There's also a protective lens cover to keep the glass safe when you're not using it. And of course, we get a spare battery, which is always appreciated for longer shooting sessions. Now let's get to the main event, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 itself. And wow, it already feels premium. Just like the previous model, the Ace Pro 2 has a solid build, but let's compare it directly with the Ace Pro 1 to see if there are any noticeable differences. When I put them side by side, the design looks very similar. The button layout is nearly identical, but we can see some refinements in the build. The edges are slightly more rounded, giving it a more ergonomic feel in the hand. The new Ace Pro 2 also has a slightly different texture on the grip, which makes it easier to hold. Now, let's put them on a scale to check the weight. The original Ace Pro weighed in at 180 grams, and let's see, yep, the Ace Pro 2 weighs exactly the same. So, despite the added features, there's no extra bulk, which is great for portability. Now, let's take a closer look at the Ace Pro 2. Starting with the front, we have that upgraded 1-inch sensor, which should give us better image quality and improved low-light performance. The lens still has a wide field of view, perfect for capturing all the action. On the side, we have the new microphone system. Insta360 has really stepped up their game here with a multi-directional mic array, which should help capture clearer audio, even in windy conditions. This is going to be a huge upgrade for those who record a lot of action sports or vlogs on the go. One of the new features is Voice Control 2.0, which allows you to operate the camera hands-free with improved accuracy. So, if you're out biking or skiing and want to start recording, you can simply say a command and the camera will respond instantly. Insta360 has stuck with the same battery design as before, which is great because it means you can use your old Ace Pro batteries if you're upgrading. Another neat addition is the upgraded heat dissipation system. Action cameras tend to get warm during extended use, but Insta360 has implemented better cooling technology in the Ace Pro 2, which should help prevent overheating during long recording sessions. Overall, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is looking like a solid upgrade. We're getting a better sensor, improved low light performance, a refined design, and an upgraded microphone system, all without adding extra weight. The improved battery life, voice control, and heat dissipation make it an even more compelling option for action camera users. I can't wait to test this out in real-world conditions and see how it performs compared to the original Ace Pro. If you're interested in picking up the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 for yourself, make sure to use my link in the description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.